Tooth back to wreak havoc on your busters. The prince of the west, so suited up in black chuckers. How much hate can one man muster up to another? Cause the other is making a whole career out of nothing. I'm self-made, bitch, so I had no mentors to teach me the ropes. I learned this shit on my own. So if you're stuck and think you got the power to break me down, think again, you're just a slave to my pad and my pen. You ain't hip-hop, cause you don't be spreading the peace, but instead you spread the lies and the hate disease. I run the streets with no fear, you're not a factor to me. Matter of fact, you're nothing but a bunch of wanksters to me. I don't need to be in a crew just to get my name poppin', but my homie wives has had my back since day one. I got you heated cause you know I be doing it major, cause they hate to see a dope cat getting this paper.
Don't die.
Yeah, we don't die, homie, we don't die, homie, we don't die.
Multiply.
Yeah, we multiply, yeah, we multiply, cause
we don't die.
Yeah, we don't die, homie, we don't die, homie, we don't die.
Multiply.
Yeah, we multiply, yeah, we multiply, cause
we don't
yeah, I speak
die.
with an accent, but so fucking what?